Hi everyone, my name is Dilip. My student ID is M00908451. This is the coursework 2 of Intelligent Sensing Robot of course ID PDE4434. So this is the coursework 2 which we have to detect the UNO card. As you can see, this is the project which I have made. The samples I have divided the samples that is a data set using these names zero blue. As you can see in the main data set, this is the 8 R, which is 8 red. So that's how I have divided the data set throughout the cards. And to run this particular project, I have used an arguments to run it. So this particular command runs the live webcam, which is making the which is able to use the webcam feed with 0 arguments, and you taking the images from this main dataset, which is as you can see here, and using Python 3 I'm able to run this particular file. So let's see how it goes. Yes, now the detection has been started. So I have made an enclosure box enclosure with a black cardboard box. That's the reason this is visible. This is been blackish. Yeah. If you see here, I'm able to put the card over here. Okay. As my data set is a little bit odd, so that's the reason it's unable to recognize the exact thing. It is able to detect the color. It's not able to match the shape of the cards. I'll just put a few more cards over here to recognize. I'm using a red skip. As you can see, the red skip is able to detect because I have used the contouring method to detect the shape, the number of the card. Shape and the number of the card. It is able to detect this particular contouring around the cards. And this plays a yellow 3. Okay. It's mainly because of the lighting and this thing, but it is able to detect. If you can see, when I change my lightings, yes, now it is able to detect it's yellow 3, and yes. It's able to detect the red color, but the shape, as you can see, it's able to detect the red and the red 3. And now I'm keeping okay. The yellow card is visible to its sensor. Yeah, if you can see yellow 2 draw, it's going to take the yellow 2 draw. Now I'm placing the yellow skip. The image processing which I have used to okay, the image processing which I have used for this mainly on using the contouring and morphing method. I'll just show you in a minute. So it's able to detect yellow as red. Yeah, now as you can see, yellow 4. So this is how my project actually works. It is detecting 9 as 6 and 6 as 9. So this is how the live feedback works. Okay, and I'll be running this particular command, static image, which is uses the dataset images to detect. I'm just taking a random. I'll just take a yellow image to detect and placing in the image input this thing. So this proves that I'm able to use the webcam feed to detect the card detector, and using this particular command I'm able to detect the recognize the cards inside the data set, which is a static data set. So as you can see here, it is able to detect the yellow 1. Okay, I'll just make sure I'll use another one, green 5 green. So I'm using 5 green. So let's see how the detection goes. The accuracy is little bit low actually. Okay, there are few more things here. So this is how the contouring works. Actually, it's not that much accurate, but it's able to detect the yellow and red cards perfectly, yellow, red and blue cards perfectly, but it's unable to detect the inside shape. It's because of the contouring which I have used. For the color detection, I have used the k-means algorithm. Color, yes. So I have used the k equals to n. K equals to 2 to detect the. K-means algorithm to detect the color, and to find the card like featuring using featuring map, detecting the features of the card and crop it accordingly. Have used this particular feature to crop the image and to train and to check the previous images and find the contour, which is the detection of the number from the contouring. So I have these are the just training, these are the trial and have used the trial and error method to recognize the number. So still I'm working on it to make it fully accuracy, like making 90% of the accuracy. So using interpolation I have using able to see these things. So using Jupyter Notebook, I have divided my color detection and able to see the dataset, how it's going to use and how it's going to crop the dataset. So this is how the my dataset looks. I have captured these all dataset manually using a black background. I'll just show you. As you can see in my GitHub profile, that's how I captured the images and extracting the card from the image. So using this particular feature, I'm able to extract the cards from the images, but there are few errors. As you can see here, yellow 9 is not able to extract the card. I'm just dividing 80 is to 20 to train and test the dataset. It's able to detect, it's able to using the interpolation, finding the colors applying the k-means. After applying the k-means, these are the results using using MATLAB, matplotlib, to plot the cards. So it finally, using this particular algorithm, my algorithm works around 100% accuracy, but it's not able to detect the shape. To detect the shape is the most complicated part for me. You can read the readme file in this particular directory, and go to the GitHub to check the programs and codes. That's it from my end. Thank you.